Welcome to DJ Stream. I hope everyone is fine, doing well. Today we will learn about how to use date function in Excel. We have a sheet and we will learn about some new formulas of date. Okay, let's see. First formula is now. You must be thinking what is the use of now. Now see, let's see what happens if we apply this formula. In Excel, to apply any formula, you can start with equal to or shift plus. All right, so I'm pressing equal to and formula is now. And what is after that, we have to close the bracket. Either you close the bracket or you can use tab. All right, then again close the bracket. Now see what result we get. See what we have got. This is today's date and time. This will reflect the time which you have in your system. If you open this workbook some other day, still it will take the time from your system only. All right. Now let's move to next formula. This is formula is today. So let's see what happens if we apply this formula. Okay. So what I told you, we will start with, to apply any formula we'll start with equal to or plus. So you can try with plus as well, it works the same. All right, now today, tab, then close the bracket. So let's see what we get with this formula. So by using the formula today, we have got date only. So now you understood what is the difference with this formula, now and today. If you use now, then it will reflect date and time both. If we use today, then it will only reflect the time, sorry, date. All right, now let's move to next. If we want to know the date only, is there any shortcut using keyboard? There is a shortcut, control semicolon. Let's try control, I'm trying here, control semicolon. See what we have got, date. All right, and what is the difference in now and this control semicolon? See, the difference is, like I told you before, if you use now formula and use this formula, I mean when you open this workbook someday after someday, then you will get the time and date from the system. But with this control semicolon, it will not change, it will be the same. Control shift colon will provide you only date. All right, so if we want both the thing here, then first you have to type control colon, then space control shift colon. Fine. Now let's find out the day. If you want to know the day, I mean today's date only day, which day is today. So there is a formula called day formula. You have to just apply equal to, then day. After, before applying any formula, you have to type equal to. It will start reflecting the formulas below. All right, so we are using day formula. So you can select from here as well. Now close this bracket. Let's see what we get. Okay, we have done some mistake here. You have to give the reference here. I mean date, today's date. So I am selecting this date today. Now you enter. So what result we have got? 8. So you can see today's date is 8. So this is how we have got the date today. All right, let's move to month. Same we will do. Month formula. Now you have to select the date, today's date. So now bracket close. Now enter. It will give you the result of which month is this date today. All right, it's the 6th. What data we have chosen? This 8/6/2021. So date month is 6th month. All right, let's move to year formula. Again, we'll do the repeat the same thing. Year. Now bracket on. You have to give the reference for this cell because this cell, this is date. Close. This will provide you the result of year. Got it? Year is 2021. Fine. Day we have got. Now let's try with this to see what we get. See, after we start with equal to and we apply formula, it will provide you the formula name. So what this formula is asking first, year. This is our year. Then month. This is the month. Now day. This is the day. Now bracket close. It will provide you the date. C. All right. So I hope you understood what I have taught you today. All right. So this is all for today, guys. We will see and learn some new formulas in my next session. So thank you for watching this. Have a good day. See you soon.